welcome to the channel, and welcome to your private boat ride through the Bengali sea caves as we take you where we are so that you can see what we see. So of course, if you saw our video on Friday, we started off at the Club Naval de Portimao dock where we had a little wine, and we showed you that video on Friday. So if you didn't see it, make sure to go back so that you can see this boat ride that we went on, that we did get through Get Your Guide. It's a great app for discounts all over, not just Portugal, other countries as well. The ride lasted a full 2 hours. It was about a half an hour for loading and unloading. And at $27 per person, well, 27 euros, you really can't beat that. Great price. And it was an English guided tour, so no type of language barriers. We all had a wonderful, wonderful time. So again, if you did see that video that we did the day before yesterday, you would also have seen that dock where Carvoeiro did some drone footage, and he picked up that pirate ship, which is also available for a cruise around the sea. They do not go into the Bengali caves though, so we kind of had to pass on that because the whole point was definitely to get that Instagram photo and go through the caves personally ourselves. But this was the dock where we were at, that we showed you the restaurants, places to eat and to drink some coffee and enjoy. So that was a great place also, within walking distance to go. But now we are going to approach that open sea. We are going through the port of Portimao. One of the things we love about this city is the variety of things you can do. You literally, during summertime, can be at a pool party right by the water, or you can just hop right over onto the little dock where everyone goes to the beach, and they hang out on this gorgeous little harbor where they can fish, the kids can run around, you'll see them skateboarding, riding their bikes. There's just everything that somebody would want to do, all located in this long strip. You can do it solo, you can do it as a couple for a romantic weekend. You can even bring the children for our viewers that have kids and are always thinking about what can they do, what's there to do. There's a great pier out there and a great boardwalk to bring your kids to enjoy your week. And here was a great bonus. That's right, dolphins. So you don't just see dolphins in California. Like I said, this is California living at half the price. You cannot beat that, literally. Dolphins spotted. So now we're gonna approach some of the rock formations. So sit back and enjoy. And as you can see, we had a pretty nice sized gang of people. We had about 25 people to 30 on the boat, so not bad to enjoy the open air and the sights. I don't know about you, but these are some spectacular sights. Literally breathtaking when you look at the way that the rocks, the beaches, everything looks when you're just going down this beautiful boat cruise. And now we come to the piece de resistance. It's what everyone comes over to see. It is when you go into the Bengali sea caves. There it is, halo on top, where people can come from the top and view it from the top down. But we are on the bottom looking on up, so enjoy. And we had to get our Instagram shots. It was truly worth the wait. Just absolutely beautiful. So hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, make sure to hit that subscribe, hit notifications, give this and all videos a thumbs up because that's a free and easy way to patron the channel. And if you get a chance, visit Restaurante Donna Maria in Carvoeiro. We had a delicious gourmet meal there for pennies. So see you on the next video.